3 sure ways to make money with sports betting with low or no risk. Number 2 is arbitrage betting. This is when you bet on both sides of an event using different bookmakers, allowing you to make a profit without needing to predict the outcome. For example, in a soccer match, one bookmaker might offer odds of 1.90 for over 2.5 goals, while another offers 2.20 for under 2.5 goals. Let's say you have $200 to bet. You can use a website like arbitragecalc.com to check if there's an opportunity to profit by betting on both sides. After inputting the data and clicking Calculate, the website shows a guaranteed ROI of 1.95%. To secure this profit, you would need to bet $107.32 at 1.90 odds and $92.68 at 2.20 odds. This way, regardless of whether the match has over or under 2.5 goals, you'll make a total profit of $3.90. Did you already know about arbitrage betting? Comment down below and share this video with a friend.